Hi everyone, welcome to this course, Data Visualization using Tableau. In this very first section, we'll be getting started with Tableau Desktop. I'll walk you through with appropriate use cases to understand more on the power of data visualization. We'll be setting up Tableau Desktop for the very first time use. We'll talk about Tableau Interface and how it works. Together, we'll be connecting to our very first data source. We'll also get to know about a variety of connectivity options supported by Tableau. And finally, we'll be moving a step ahead. By creating our very first worksheet or visualization using Tableau. Well, let's get started. In this video, we'll get to know how data visualization help you unleash the key insights out of the raw data. These data-backed findings in turn help you take numerous business decisions to take you to the new heights. With the advent of digitization, the ability to store high amounts of data has been increasing over time. In fact, these huge amount of datasets are quite difficult to understand and analyze with traditional softwares. However, all this material is as good as what we can make out of it, both as individuals and businesses. Terabytes of data sitting in the data center is a huge burden, but if correctly analyzed and visualized, can become the digital gold. That's why data visualization is quite important as far as businesses want their key decisions to be based on data-driven key insights. So what's data visualization? Well, in a nutshell, data visualization is the process of taking up the raw data, transforming it into graphs, charts, key performance indicators, and even data matrices, which explain the numbers and allow us to extract insights out of the same. It helps us discover new patterns and spot new trends. This indeed changes the way we make sense out of the collected data to create a value out of it. Think about a simple example. How would you create a story to present your leadership out of millions of rows of data? An easy way is to visualize this data in an aggregate form using charts, may it be a bar chart or even a line chart to showcase trends over time. Now you have a visual representation of the data to better understand and integrate the same into your business, thus giving a meaning and purpose to the original raw data. Let's think of a much more personalized example to understand more about it. Imagine you are able to see the trends of your spending habits from the last 5 years broken up by the categories. What if you also get to know how the same has been changing over time? What if it also tells you that your spendings on travel has increased by 50% as compared to the last year? If you have started spending more on the fast food and less on groceries. In short, analyzing and visualizing the data can bring forward some fresh insights. May it be regarding your spending habits that you might not even have noticed so far. This might help you to better plan your expenditures and even the finances by having a look at the alternatives and comparing multiple what-if models. The possibilities are endless, and data visualization keeps you ahead. In the next video, we'll be setting up Tableau Desktop for the very first use.